Got your tag. Alrighty guys, here they come. Here's more videos of my friends driving the train, guys. Well, guys, there goes my best friends, guys. They're not coming through Saturday, guys. So guys, I'm on a vacation for 2 days. So guys, all right, guys, welcome back to Kiamichi Road Shortlines, guys. And thanks for watching Kiamichi Road Shortlines, guys. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Give it a thumbs down on this video, guys. I hope y'all like this video, guys. These are my weekend friends, guys. I'm glad to see them. They're glad to see me, guys. And please look me up on my Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, guys. I don't know if I'm on Tweet, but if I do have a tweet, guys, just look me up on there if I do. Woo! Alrighty, guys. If you hear a freight train coming, please stop. Don't up to the crossing till the train leaves the crossing, guys. If you hear it coming towards you, please stop for an oncoming freight train, guys. Alright, guys. Daytime road photography here on the Kiamichi Railroad. There they go, guys. They're on the way to Hugo for the morning. It's 10 o'clock, almost 11. They're driving her. They'll be on their way to Hugo probably by 3 o'clock in the afternoon. But guys, if you hear them coming, please stop for them. Please don't go across the signals with the signals blaring and them coming through. Please wait until they pass through. Please don't scare my friends or any other train driver. Drive the train guys. And please get on the big old train salute, guys. And please be safe. Nope. Please be safe. Don't be you know, guys. Alright, guys. Daytime road photography here on the Kiamichi Railroad, guys. Marshall here, and I'll be at Kiamichi Railroad Shortlines Sunday, guys. So I'm on a 2-day vacation because they're not coming through. So, alright, guys. Thank you for subscribing to Kiamichi Road Shortlines, guys. Be safe. Trains out the right of way, guys. And also, they may or they might not stop. But guys, please don't pull out in front of them. And just be safe and don't follow anybody else who's jumping in front of the oncoming freight train. Don't do that. Don't trust what they do. Alright, guys, take them off from the stop, guys. And they have the right of way, and they can actually plow you 6 feet under. So please don't chance anybody or yourself, guys. So please watch for oncoming freight trains. And I'll catch you next time on the Kiamichi Road Shortlines, guys. Daytime road photography here on the Kiamichi Railroad. Marshall and Thanks for watching.